Good morning again, boys and girls. Today I thought we could do a little bit of a recap on addition using the whole part model. For those of you who maybe have forgotten what one of those is, it looks like this. Where you have your whole and then you have your parts that make up that whole, okay? Remember, you don't necessarily need two parts. It can be as many parts as you like because they're parts, but we're going to use two today. So if I have two and I also have three, as my parts, what is my whole? Now this is addition, okay? Addition is where you take two parts and you put them together to make a whole, okay? You count them all up all together, and it would look like this as a calculation. Okay, 2 plus 3 equals, and we're going to find the whole number there, okay? So I've got 2 here, 3 here, and I would like to know what the whole is. So if you're unsure, we're going to do it with cubes as well. 2, 1, 2, plus 3, 1, 2, 3. And I now want to know what the whole is. So what we're going to do is we're going to add or move them to the top and add them all up. So 2, add 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we'll just double check if we were to move these dots up. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So who can tell me 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, and that's what it would look like as a number sentence. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay. Right, let's see if we can do this another way. What if you already were given the whole? Okay, so we have been given the number 5, and I would like to know what two parts could come together to make 5. Now we've already got 2 plus 3 equals 5. Can anybody else come up with a different number sentence that makes 5? So what two numbers could come together to make 5? If you've got an adult at home and you've got some objects on the floor, take 5 and I want you to split them up into two parts. What numbers can you come up with? And we will have a try with the cubes in a moment. Okay, so we have our whole, which is 5. So I will write that on our sheet just to remind us. What two parts could come together to make 5? So we're going to do this backwards this time. We know that 2 and 3 make 5. What other numbers? Well, let's find out. What if we just took 1 instead of 2? How many are we left with? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, oops, 4. So what two numbers come together to make 5? We have 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Who can tell me what that number sentence is? 1 plus equals, let's have a look. So we had 5 and we were told that 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to move them down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, makes 5. And that is a number sentence. And I want you to say it after me or with me. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Can you now have a think what other number sentences make 5? We've got 2 plus 3 equals 5. 4 add 1 equals 5. There's one more. Have a think. What could the last one be? Okay, now I've got a challenge, okay? I'm going to give you some of the whole part model, but I'm going to leave one bit missing, okay? With your adult at home, you can have a think or use the stuff you've got around the house. At the end of the day, all you need for a whole part model is big circle and 2 little circles, or as many little circles as you want. We have as many parts as we want, but I'm going to give you one part of it, well, 2 parts of it, okay? The answer is 5. Okay, so we're looking for 5, and if you're not sure, again, use your cubes to make 5. Okay, I'm going to give you one of the parts. Okay, I'm going to give you the number 3. Can you now, with your adult or on the carpet, have a think, what is my missing part? So what number goes with 3 to make 5? Okay, you've been given 5, and just to double check, you can get 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is our whole number. That's our answer. That's what we're looking for. And I've told you, oops, is that my finger? And I have told you that 3 is one of our parts. So I'm going to move 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is my missing number? How many are left? Okay, now that you've had a little chance to think with your adult, or you've used the next video to help you out, who can tell me what my missing number is? What do we add to 3 to make 5? I'm going to give you 10 more seconds. For those of you who weren't sure, our missing number is dum 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 2. And just to check, you can even do that in the fingers because we've got 5 fingers, so we can easily check. We have got 3. I need to make 5. So if we put 3 on our fingers, we need 1, 2 more to make 5. Well done on getting that missing number.